Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm holding a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and use WhatsApp on this phone. So in order for you to be able to install WhatsApp on this phone, you need to first download and install WhatsApp app from the Play Store. So make sure you have already installed WhatsApp from the Play Store. Now go to apps menu and here go to settings. Now scroll down and go to the option advanced features. Here scroll all the way down and tap on the option that says dual messenger. Here Samsung allows you to sign into a second account of your social media apps. So here you will find all the supported apps. As you can see, you can find WhatsApp and also you can see Facebook app because I have already installed it. So in case if you don't find WhatsApp here, you need to make sure that you have already downloaded the app from the Play Store. So now you need to toggle this on in order to install the second copy of WhatsApp. So here you will find this pop-up that says install a second copy of WhatsApp. You need to tap install and you need to read through this disclaimer and tap confirm in order to continue. So here by toggling this on, you can maintain a separate list of contacts for your second app. I prefer to use the same contact list, so you can tap next. And here tap OK to continue. And it takes a few seconds. Now the second copy of WhatsApp is already installed. Now we are done here. You can just exit from the settings app. Now if you go back to apps menu, you'll find the second copy of WhatsApp installed. So let me just drag it and put it next to the other WhatsApp app. So now you can see both the apps side by side and the second copy has a blue badge. Here is my primary WhatsApp account. It's already logged in and here is the second copy. So this needs to be signed in and configured. Here select the language and here agree and continue and you can allow the notification. Now you need to enter your phone number. Once done, tap next and confirm that the number is correct. Tap yes and it will send a 6-digit code to the phone number by SMS. So if you have already installed the SIM card on this phone, it will be picked up automatically or it will be sent to the phone that has the SIM installed in it. So it's on my iPhone. So let me pick the QR code and enter it manually. So 292783. It will verify the code and it's done. And here it asks access for your contact photos and other media, just allow, and access to music and video on this device, allow. And here you need to enter your name, just type it out and tap next. So here you can provide your email ID to protect your account for verification and other support. So if you want, you can provide it, otherwise you can just skip it. So that's it guys. So that's how you install a second copy and now my new number is registered on the second app. Here I can send a message to anybody from my contact list. And if I go back to my primary WhatsApp account, this has a different WhatsApp account. So this is how you install two WhatsApp accounts on Samsung Galaxy S25. Now if you want to uninstall the app, you have two ways to do that. You can just tap and hold and it will give you the option to uninstall the app. You can uninstall from here or alternatively you can go back to settings and advanced features and dual messenger. Here if you toggle it off, you will be able to uninstall the second copy of WhatsApp. You also have the option to keep the app data, so you will have access to the data when you install it next time. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next video.